You want to hurry it up, Derek? I'm freezing my baguettes off out here.
250 strands, 100 lights apiece for a grand total of 25,000 imported Italian twinkle lights. Neon sign and a Christmas village. 25,000.
I hope no one sees us standing in the parking lot looking like a bunch of dorks.
If they know Derek, they won't think anything of it.
Fired up, Dad.
I dedicate this to the Weld County Garage Christmas.
Aww.
Drum roll, please. Drum roll.
Oh.
Joy to the world.
I hope you all see what a silly waste of resources this is.
You worked really hard on it, Donovan.
So did Quartz. So what's wrong with it?
I don't understand that the Christmas lights don't work, the village doesn't work, the tree isn't lit up.
You plugged it in, right?
You honestly think I'd check thousands of tiny little light bulbs if I didn't think the extension cord was plugged in? What's going on here? Everybody, I fixed the light!